What makes a great campaign? Your How-To Guide by Gary Pascasio. Welcome back. Today I will share with you the basics, purpose, goal, objectives, and more on how to make a great campaign. I will discuss with you the points to better understand the essentials in building your campaign. Okay, let's start. Let's start by arranging the basics. What is your purpose and goal? Your purpose is the reason or what you are trying to reach in the long term. Your goal is the direction you are taking to realize your mission, vision, or trying to achieve. Goals are achievements you want to reach that purpose. A quick example. Purpose. You want to have an increase on sales on your product or services. Goal are the steps you are going to take to reach that goal. To increase sales, you are looking to target result to make your campaign successful. That is the question to ask yourself. What do you want to achieve? Now, let us discuss. What is your objective? By making your goal more specific, in turn will build your objectives. An objective is the precise goal you are setting to your campaign. Every specific objective must be measurable. The best way to measure your specific objective is applying the SMART method. Having knowledge on your campaign purpose, and now make it specific by using the SMART method. Note, this is an example of a fictitious company product, but can be applied in different product and/or service scenarios. Gain sales for new product line shirts are very broad. Here is an example. Let's try using SMART. Specific. Sales of new product line. 10 pieces per items. Shirts. Measurable. Gain 10,000 units sold per item. Attainable. Through social media used by the company using Facebook. Offline advertising in 10 store locations. Sell 1,000 units per store in 10 specific stores countrywide. Relevant. Showcasing 10 new product line shirts and increase sales in each line by more than 20% this year. Time-bound or time-based. Campaign will start from the 1st of October 2024 to the 1st of December 2024. Okay, now let us include a background and rationale. Having a concise background and rationale to better understand what you are aiming. Include a short story about the campaign and give the reason why you are doing that particular program. Looking for a course of action coming from the reasons why you are doing this campaign. To have a better understanding about your campaign, you need to get some research. A good campaign requires a strong research background. Give an overview and add elements in your campaigns about your product and/or service and explore about the history, geographic, demographic, behaviors, social, etc. Describe the company's product and/or service features and benefits, unique selling proposition or USP, brand identity, and other activities or stories that would support your campaign. Learn and examine how would clients or customers would buy or use your product and/or service. Now let's discuss about how long will it last. You need a duration or time frame. In your objectives, you have already plot your time frame or duration of the campaign. For clarity on your time frame, you need to identify key periods. For example, launch, follow-up with team, campaign calendar, media plan schedules. Also take into consideration potential tweaks, org changes due to unforeseen events, for example, logistics, fortuitous events or environment, faulty technology, manpower, schedule, etc. Along with your topping, you need a special source or contingency as an extra layer of contingencies for scenarios mentioned earlier. In my experience, I add this extra layer, contingency, in case an unforeseeable event that would occur. As Murphy's Law point out that things will go wrong in any given situation, if you give them a chance, or simply whatever can go wrong, will go wrong. There will always be situations outside of your control. But if you add this extra layer, then you'll have the ability to control to an extent what can happen on your campaign. Make it a point to have room for adjustments in your campaigns, so that it will still meet expectations. Doing the best of your capabilities, knowing you have the ability to make it work. But may be incapable in a situation that you may lack skills or experiences, i.e. don't know how to use that specific technology or needs an extra hand. Expect these situations, include in your budget, and add these time constraints which will form a manageable time frame. Next in our topic, you need to understand your target audience. And then I will share about the eligibility in a campaign, prepare an action plan, and more. A quick one. Want to learn about contingencies in building campaigns? Always plan for the inevitable by improvising during a campaign, and don't lose sight of your goal. Please leave a message, special, in the comment section to learn about contingencies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to everyone you know to learn about creating a great campaign. All right. See you again on the next topic. Click on the next episode and stay tuned.